Hello. Hi,
Hello,
Flynn. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thanks. So, today we're going to do as you know, you are here for the assessment as a part of your Certificate 3 in Business, which is BSB 30115.
That's right. Yep.
Yep. We are here to discuss the RPL evidence, which is need to be assessed, and the unit is BSB ITU 312, create electronic presentation. Uh, is it correct?
That's correct. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
So the purpose for today's meeting is to discuss the RPL evidence requirements and assessment process for the unit of BSB ITU 312, create unit electronic presentation. So in this assessment process, there's so many activities. We have to do so much process and there's activities like what to do, when to do, and where to do. And we have to do again review also. So can I go through with the process with you?
That would be lovely. Thank you.
Thank you for that. So you had to submit three things, which is electronic presentation portfolio. Second one is electronic presentation third party referee. The third one is electronic presentation verbal questioning. So portfolio you presentation is as a part of your work as well as any other supporting evidence. You have to submit that. Please identify each piece of evidence against the portfolio checklist. Your portfolio must be submitted by email. You can submit by email or by USB. You can go like yourself and you can give it to them in the garden. So second piece of is electronic presentation third party. You will need to nominate a referee to provide evidence to confirm use of your skills of your workplace. It means, did you do that or no? The third party person will tell us.
Okay.
Okay. And this evidence you have to submit by 22nd of July. It means you have only 4 weeks from now
hmm
to submit it. After that, uh, we will do your verbal questionings. You will be interviewed by me as I'm your assessor, and there you will be asked range of questions so you can demonstrate your knowledge and discuss your portfolio items if necessary. And after that 2 weeks after that, you have to answer verbal questionings. After 2 weeks means after submitting your third party evidence, after that 2 weeks after that I will do your verbal questioning, which is on 5th of August.
Okay.
Okay, so keep the dates in the mind. 22nd is third party evidence, 22nd of July, and 5th of August is your interview.
Okay.
Okay, interview questionings. On that day, please come with comfortable clothing. And don't worry, I'm not going to eat you. We're just going to talk about it. And if you have a glasses, I can see you have a glasses.
I do.
Yeah, I hope they will come with you. And if necessary, please bring sip and crunch.
Oh, well,
Um are you okay with this so far information?
yes. Yeah, that's great.
Okay,
I understand so far.
thank you. Because English is your second language, so do mine. So, so we need to understand each other, right?
Yes.
you have already completed the application process. Okay, so the portfolio evidence will be assessed soon. Competency conversation, which is questionings, will be held to gather your knowledge in this unit. And perhaps some extra questions will be asked because of the evidence that you submitted for your portfolio. Evidence presented portfolio, the third party, and the answer questions must be all satisfactory. If not, I am satisfied. If they are competent, then you will go ahead with your RPL.
Okay.
And if you are not, then you will have the opportunity to submit the extra evidence. Okay, if you need it. As I read your form, I saw that you need help with the reading and writing.
That's right. Yeah. Sometimes I find it a little bit hard, so I need some extra time.
So for that, we have a reasonable adjustment. If you need, we will always there to help you.
Great. Thank you.
And look, you have a right to appeal the assessment process, the decision, anytime. Whether you want to do it with decision or you want to go with the process, you can appeal with any time. You can appeal even against me as your assessor if you are not satisfied. Everything is written in the Gordon's website, policy and procedure. You can go through there. If you can't find it, I can also help you with that. So don't feel obliged with this result, okay? And if you're competent, you will be advised of result on completion of the interview. And as I said earlier, we are there for you. You are in good hands.
Thank you.
LLN support is available. We will support you anytime. We just need your evidence, which is electronic presentation portfolio, electronic presentation of third-party referee, and electronic presentation of verbal questioning. We need only those things and you are good to go. So are you happy with this information?
I am. Yes, thank you. And you said that I'll be getting a copy of this report that we're going through now anyway, so I could always check it.
I will print it out soon. And no, sorry, I will email it to you soon. Okay, I can't print. There is no point. We are online, right? So I can send you email right now, so you can go through it.
That's great.
And if you're not happy, we will stop the process anytime.
Okay.
So are you happy with this information?
I am. Yes, thank you.
Can we go ahead and can I be able to sign here as your name? Yes. Flynn, fantastic. Is it right?
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Flynn.
Thanks, Aarti.
Hope you will get your RPL, so you will save your time and money, both things. Okay?
Yep.
See you soon.
Okay. Thanks, Aarti. Nice to meet you. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.